Why are some tomato plants producing tiny fruits while others produce large, juicy tomatoes? Today, I will show you the feeding method that helps tomatoes grow bigger and healthier. Why tomato fruits stay small? Lack of potassium, poor soil nutrients, irregular watering, too many fruits competing for nutrients, poor sunlight. The nutrients tomatoes need for bigger fruits. Potassium helps fruit size and quality. Phosphorus supports roots and flowering. Calcium helps prevent blossom and rot. Nitrogen should be controlled during fruiting. Making a natural tomato size increasey fertilizer. Liters of water. 1 cup compost. Banana peel extract. Small amount of wood ash optional. Allow it to sit, strain, then apply around the tomato plant soil. Feed every 7-14 days during fruit development. Apply around the root zone, not directly on leaves. Water plants consistently. Extra tricks for bigger tomatoes. Remove unnecessary side shoots. Provide strong support. Give 6-8 hours sunlight. Mulch soil to maintain moisture. Healthy soil creates healthy plants. Feed your tomatoes correctly, and they will reward you with bigger and better harvests. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe, comment, like, and share.